first rates then on your screens. It is indeed a positive start. We've had a good start and good for the market breadth as well. You know, more than the Nifty, it has to be said that the broader market recovery as well has been as strong, if not more. So good market breadth as well at your hands. Just a couple of stocks that I want to quickly check out for you. Reliance Industries, Jio gets the 12th check now, so look out for that name. Motherson Sumi, the restructuring, and very positive notes coming in from all the brokerages as well in this one this morning. So that's going to be another stock. Let's see how much further it can push from that 104 odd mark, given that it already bumped up 7% in trade yesterday itself. Then I want to see financials, because they clearly seem to be the one which are marching ahead along with the Nifty, or maybe vice versa, who knows. So the likes of an HDFC, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, they've all been holding out very well, and it's good to see that even the broader market participants are the ones which are taking the lead. So even an M&M Finance, a Bandhan Bank, Equitas, they're all been holding up. Then of course to the good news which has really come in from the rural end of the market, or rural India rather, with regards to tractor sales. So M&M, Eicher, VST Tillers, Swaraj Engines, all these stocks have really been seeing a flurry of trade off late. M&M, remember, ran up almost about 6% in trade yesterday, and Escorts, of course, has been a high flyer as well. So look out for these names. And IT also seems to be making a comeback in the market. Even now on your screens, you can see those green dots. Infi, remember, yesterday managed to hold up 3%, HCL Technologies, TCS, etc. They continue to march ahead as we speak. So along expected lines, great breadth, and we made it to 10,600, Nikunj.
Yeah, I mean, 100 points now get just taken away with some kind of an ease. Aisha, I think it's amply evident. Sale is up 2%. Does the day belong to metal? Yesterday it belonged to autos. Does the day really belong to metal? I mean, look, if auto sales are picking up, then steel, cement, all those sectors have to come back, because that means that the demand on the consumption side, if it is coming back, it has to be backed by some economic activity. You just cannot buy cars because because you will only buy cars or autos when you A, have a need, or B, when you're feeling good or excited about your availability of your cash flow or your income. But meanwhile, if I look at some of the stocks where the value transaction is important, one is Reliance, second is Motherson Sumi, and then you've got Axis Bank, which is back at 428, 429. HDFC Limited, I want to go back to HDFC Limited, because the AGM yesterday clearly set a tone, and where Deepak Parekh has very explicitly said that he expects there are inorganic opportunities for various group companies. That could be in the insurance business, that could be in the AMC business, and that could also be in the HFC business. HFC, they've only acquired like Grahu Finance last, and then that proposed merger with Bandhan Bank, but nothing large has happened, at least on the HFC front. But that's one space where a lot of good companies now, because of COVID crisis, have really come tumbling down.